Now that you know about company history, check the link in description. You can search for its financial data. If you want to grow as a product leader, it would be crucial to understand how company is doing financially, where you are made a difference, and how you can make a difference with your future product initiatives. We will help you understand each element in financial statements and its relevance to product management. Please note, this is not financial-only training, as it specifically focuses on its relevance to product management. Alright, let's begin. Your first go-to data should be company income statement, and the first item you look at is revenue. Revenue is important to showcase potential of a company to take the money from people who are ready to pay for the usage of product or service. More revenue shows that a company is good at telling people you should buy from us. So, if 100 people are ready to pay max $100 in a year for a product or service, and your company can convince 60% of users to buy their product or service, then their revenue for 1 year would be $6,000. This is great revenue, as it means your company can influence more than half people to do business with them. While marketing, sales, operations, and many other functions are doing their part, you as product manager contribute by building a digital product which helps people achieve their goals or their jobs to be done, and in turn people eventually trust the company to solve their problems. When you work to improve retention, you do so by telling people that we can fulfill your needs and you should stay with us. More the customers retained, more probability of customers doing transaction with you in future. Now, let's break down the revenue and product relationship further with example of Slack. Revenue model. Slack operates on a subscription-based revenue model, offering various pricing tiers based on the features and user count. Revenue is generated from monthly or annual subscription fees paid by users or organizations. Let's look at specific areas where Product Manager can make a difference within this revenue model. 1. User versus revenue. You can see in the two tables how the increase in number of users increases the revenue for Slack. So as a product manager, you always work on increasing the user base, which relates to the company's revenue growth year by year. 2. Pricing to revenue. Here is how Slack defines pricing. Pricing impacts the user base directly, which in turn impacts revenue, as high prices will scare away potential users, reducing your annual revenue. As product manager, you provide different values to different segments to retain them. Each price point is calculated very carefully to maintain a balance between value provided versus price charged. 3. Product design. Slack product managers spend considerable time on identifying and improving product design for easy usage. This enables users to stay with them and use their product. If users leave Slack due to complexity of product, then this will reduce revenue considerably. As you see here, there are various areas from where you can gather revenue data. You can get all of this from various sources such as CRM reports, historical pricing data, SaaS metrics. When you gather the data, look for trends of revenue from each source, if there is a big jump or drop in revenue, against which you can investigate if users dropped or increased. As a product manager, this data will help you identify where you need to invest resources and time to develop features or fix any issue in a specific area. You may need to collaborate with other departments to ensure your product is not lagging anywhere. So that's all for today. We will cover other financials in next video. Comment if you need any help with any topic and subscribe.